Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Illumicati token. Now this is a brand new token that just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, November 17th. Ticker symbol is MILK. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So if you want to find all the links to this token, you can go over to illumicati.vip. Over there they have Uniswap link, they have their Etherscan, they have a DEX tools chart, contract address, X, they're listed on CoinGecko, and they have a Telegram as well. So all sorts of different links on here. According to their Etherscan right here, it says the name of the token is MILK and ticker symbol is MILK on Etherscan. So if you're looking for it on there, that's what it is. But the name of the whole ecosystem, the project, is Illumicati. So right now they have 1,278 holders, a max total supply of 69,786,868,797,169 MILK tokens, and 18 decimal places on this token. So this token just got listed today, brand new listing on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. Start time for this listing is November 17th, 14 hours UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search MILK, M-I-L-K, and then simply just buy the Illumicati token. Now I'm going to put their Twitter up right here so you guys can easily find this project at Illumicati_ETH. And they have a Telegram that you can find on their webpage as well that so far has 509 members, 65 of them online. It says, "Welcome to the Order of Illumicati." They have their Mexc Global announcement that you can find on Mexc Global's Twitter at Mexc_official. So the Kickstarter for this project is concluded, and now deposits is open and trading is open today as well. So it says the Illumicati awakens, and their Twitter here has so far 770 followers. They just joined in November 2023. That's how new this project is. You could see that they have their webpage linked on there, illumicati.vip, their Telegram at Illumicat portal, and then they have a full link tree on there as well. 8 tweets so far. Got milk, hilarious. Yeah, so you can check out their tweets to stay up to date with what's going on with new listings and whatnot. On their link tree, they have a link to Uniswap, website, Telegram, DEX tools, CoinGecko, Etherscan, and Dune Analytics. So that's the one that's not listed on their webpage there, the Dune Analytics. You can check that out as well. So yeah, on Coin, it's weird because on the Etherscan, it's name of the token's MILK and ticker symbol MILK. but on CoinGecko it has it listed as Illumicati is the name of the token. So it's kind of slightly different on different listing sites. So check that out. The cool thing about DEX tools, though, if you check out the DEX tools chart, you can find some different audits on there. So they have, it tells you the market cap. $4.82 million is their market cap right now. Circulating total supply right now is 69.78 trillion tokens. Their 24-hour trading volume is $364,750. And liquidity on Uniswap is $240,740. So that's where you could view the chart, but then you could also check out an audit, and it looks like there is some alerts on this audit, so just be aware of this. Let's go over these alerts here. So I was not expecting these alerts, but yes, so this is 6 alerts is actually a lot. So maybe they're spread out though, and it's the same alert on all four of the audits. But yeah, so they have audits by Token Sniffer, GoPlus, Quick Intel, and Happy Security. Now it says no buy tax, no sell tax. GoPlus Security says that the sell tax is 0.03%, which is basically zero. No honeypot, it says. Contract is verified. No mintable tokens. No proxy contract. Tax is not modifiable. Cannot pause transfers. So all good stuff so far. But then there is a warning here. On 3 of the audits, Quick Intel, GoPlus, and Happy Security says that they can blacklist users. So just be aware of that. That can be sketchy. Token Sniffer says no for some reason, but those 3 audits say that they can blacklist users, so be aware of that. That's can be sketchy. Quick Intel says that there's an external call risk, so that's another warning. And they also say on Quick Intel and Happy that they can whitelist users. But Token Sniffer says no. It's weird how they're different on each one, but there's definitely 6 warnings on here. And then GoPlus and Happy says there's anti-whale warnings, and then Quick Intel says there isn't. And then also Happy Security has a warning for trading cooldown. So there's all sorts of different warnings on here. There's even a warning for other risks, it says on Quick Intel. So lots of warnings on this token, so be aware of that. I did not see that at first when I started doing this video, but now you know. There's a bunch of warnings on this token, so thoroughly do your own research before thinking about getting this token because of all those warnings there. Now, there's also scarce information on their webpage. They don't have a full audit. It's kind of definitely like a meme type of webpage. Now it says there's a little thing at the bottom of the page. It says password, and I'm assuming you put in milk. Let's try that out. So you put in milk, and then it says wrong password. I'm not going to try to figure this out right now, but maybe it's like it's asking you to put in a ticker symbol, basically. Let's try Illumicati. If you guys know the password, that'd be funny, and put that in the comment, or put that in the comment sections for other people to try to use the. Nope, that didn't work either. Oh, I put Illuminati. Let's try Illumicati. Nope, that doesn't work either. So anyways, there's some weird thing at the bottom of their page that says password. This is very much a meme web page. Kind of just has the tokenomics, has the price on their web page, contract address, all that type of stuff. It says follow the white cat. Very much a meme token with zero to no utility and not much security at all. So definitely take this token with a grain of salt, and let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.